Hi, I'm Jessica from Toyota of North Charlotte, and it's Child Passenger Safety Week. We know the importance of keeping our little ones safe while we're on the road or out and about. That's why I'm here with my good friend. I promise you I'm not in trouble. Major Ruiz. He's going to show us the proper way to install a car seat. So, Jacob, I'm from the old school era where we would ride in the back seat of a station wagon without a car seat and all of that. Totally unsafe.
Correct.
You're going to tell us how to keep it safe with this car seat, which, by the way, is Sebastian's, guys. So that's a really cool one. So give us the ins and outs, or what's important to look out for.
First thing when you get a car seat is to check the expiration date.
Okay.
It's either going to be on a label in the back also that it is approved by the Federal Highway Safety Commission.
Okay.
If it has just a manufacturing date, then it's 7 years from the manufacturing date that
Okay.
the car seat would expire. I think many people are not aware of that. That's very important.
Okay.
Second, obviously you need to realize that your child, the car seat that you get for your child is the right fit for your child.
Okay.
Now there are certain ages, state laws are all different as far as how old the child should be. In Florida, law says that a child needs to be, who's 5 years or younger, needs to be in some kind of seat.
Some car seat, okay.
Some car seat.
It doesn't matter the weight? What if he's like the weight of a 5-year-old? Does it matter?
There's no weight in state law. So that comes in where the parent comes in and decides this seat is the right fit for my child based on his size and weight.
Okay.
This is a forward-facing seat. Usually, the rule of thumb is that a child. Would be for a child who's 1 year or older, depending on the size of the child. Booster seats, we recommend a child between 4 to 5, but again, it all depends on the size of the child. Correct.
Okay. So, are we ready to do this?
Let's do it. So the first thing is to recognize that vehicles that were made after 2002 are required to have a latch system. If your car seat is equipped with latches, it is preferred to use the latch system in order to install the car seat properly. Jessica's car seat does not have a latch system, so we're going to go ahead and use the seatbelt system. It is important to also read the manufacturing instructions of the car seat itself to understand how it operates. If the car seat, especially those that are infant that slide back and forth, you must ensure that the angle of the car seat is at between 30 and 45 degrees for the safety of the child. Make sure that you insert the seatbelt through both holes of the rear of the car seat, and make sure that you click on the seatbelt correctly and adhere latch. A lot of vehicles have a locking mechanism in seatbelts themselves. If that is the case, make sure that you pull tightly on the seatbelt so that it puts the car seat in place. And once it is in place, you need to wiggle the car seat, make sure that there's no more than 1 inch of wiggle room between the car seat and the seat itself.
Well, guys, that's how you safely install a car seat. Thank you so much for joining us. We had an amazing time and we learned a lot. If you ever need help installing a car seat, you know we're always there for you at Toyota of North Charlotte.